Guess I gotta hit him with an update. Okay. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit a nigga when you at the front gate. They act like that.
We're gonna go put these AV Alta tattoos on my face.
Both of them on your face?
Oh wait, I only have one. Where are you gonna put yours?
Put it on my face.
Neck? She's gonna put it on her neck.
This?
Yeah. On your hand?
Yeah, maybe I'm.
Okay, we'll be back. And we are back with our tattoos. Now we look real hardcore fans. Very G. Alright, we are back in the field, back in our seats. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? We just came from the supporters stadium, supporters area. That place is always popping because that's where they have the people with the drums and just all the people chanting. Pretty crazy over there. We got our seats on the other side of the field. The players are coming on the field right now. We're about 5 minutes from the start of the game. And it feels like a party over here. Hit it! Oh! Get it! Get it! Halftime. Game is getting crazy. Hopefully it gets even better next time.
Let's see it, AB, let's see it!
Defensive work from Oakland Roots, but the attack's still on. Cross in from deep, fired a goal. Spiegel.
Come on, this corner.
And with outswing again. Headed on! Mabumu Allison! Oh my God!
Okay, game is over. We just tied. We're going to penalty kicks.
Stressed out by this.
Everybody start the penalty kicks. Our side. So we're going to get front row seat for the penalty kicks. Wow.
So, let's get it. Whoa, clear out the room, I'm coming through. They wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill. I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost for stepping. I bet on me and my team. Winter time, rock a cold fleece. Pocket fat, that's obese. Only talking money if it's increased. She give me brain, girl, no teeth. I touch down, bust down. She bust it open for a real day. Stay Tommy'd up, tryna build it up, tryna count it up, hill figures. Don't be chillin' with no lil, no. And if I do, I be real with them. Chase a dream, that's a meal ticket. ISO gang, yeah, they still with us. I put it in motion, they got me steady. Thoughts on my mind, it's weighing heavy. Watch how I shine, tell them I'm ready. I'm hitting my stride, let's get to the Fetty. I was just sitting back watching them fold. Racks on me now, yeah, it's looking swole. I hold it down and I got my own. Keeping it grown, we back to the bone. Yeah, flying flashy.
That game is crazy. We're about to leave, but just wanted to wrap it up.
We won penalty. We won by penalty. I think the game was like three goals up. So
Yeah.
yeah, super awesome game. Very exciting. Team never
Faltered.
faltered.
No, we
and
always had.
yeah, it's always exciting.
Yeah. What are they doing over there?
All right, see you guys.